Menta kasngi ka khan riu tarik urampang R1000 R4R ki Pulit jong ka Bhoi district kilayo banbat ya kawai ka kali ka bana jilla Assam ka badon you register number AS not iway LC iway R ka ba hadin na kaliang ki Pulit kila kanra ya kane ka kali kilalap ba kane ka kali kalakit iki photli ki Tiar Pynbthei bat ki Tiar Pynbthei ki balayo ban kurup na kane ka kali ki kenthop R song ki Berni ki bala thep iki aluminium electronic detonators ki badan hadu kumba sanphautli bar khat R song ki neo gelatin sticks na kaliang ki Pulit ki lakemno yunongnya yakate ka kali bat harangkat unong bun ban pelong ka jingto kit ka bakhambnia halor kane ka banta.
I mean around 16th February, so night 2 o'clock. So we received information from a reliable source that a particular vehicle suspected to carry explosives in huge numbers, which may be illegal in nature. So then the team under IC Byrnihat has set up a naka around 2 o'clock, and we are checking the vehicles, all the vehicles, light vehicles and other vehicles which are suspected to carry explosive substances. So around 5 o'clock, the one vehicle number A01LC 1112 was intercepted by the Byrnihat outpost Naka. So the vehicle initially did not stop while checking, and the vehicle was followed up to 12th mile, and they have been detained at 12th mile. So after detaining the vehicle, then there were two occupants in the vehicle. So in the interest of investigation, we will not reveal the two occupants of the vehicle. Then once the vehicle was checked, then it was found that there were almost 24 packets of aluminium electronic detonators. So the number of detonators might be around approximately 1200 in numbers. Along with it, there were around 305 kgs of gelatin sticks, neo-gel gelatin sticks, which were seized from the vehicle. Along with that, there is also two mobile phones seized from the accused, and the accused have been arrested, and Nongpo PS case 22/2022 under section 5A of Explosive Substances Act has already been registered, and the matter is still under investigation. So far this much only can be revealed, and further details will be followed up. And one more thing I would like to say that so Meghalaya State Police have intensified the crackdown on illegal proliferages of explosives, because they might be used for any other activities which are not legal and lawfully permitted. So that is the main thing, and this exercise will keep continuing in the district, and any substances, explosive substances which are unauthorized or illegally transported, the exercise against that will keep continuing.
During the investigation, is there any legal documents you found from the vehicle?
No, there is no legal documents. That is why we have initiated the case, because ideally for transportation of explosives, they should carry proper documents, and the vehicle also should be authorized.
So from which location, sir, did this vehicle come?
This had come from, suspectedly to come from, further investigation will reveal much more details, come from Pynbthei Hills, Ladrambai. Okay. And supposedly the vehicles was proceeding towards Rani Bazaar of Guwahati, where supposedly it has to be delivered to someone, which we are still investigating.